a start after his return from Tommy John surgery. St. Louis Cardinals right-hander Alex Reyes had an operation that ended the season on Wednesday and repaired a tendon attached to the latissimus dorsi at the top right of your back. St. Louis said that Dr. Anthony Romeo operated in Philadelphia. Cardinals general manager Michael Girsch said there was partial fraying between the heartbeat and the bone, and that the surgery reattached the tendon to the bone. The recovery time is expected to be 6 months. Girsch said the team expects Reyes to recover fully and be ready for spring training. The good news is that when they came in, the tendon was partially frayed. It was not completely ripped off, which means there is good blood flow, which means it is very optimistic for recovery, Girsch said. The surgery was performed immediately after the examination, which was anticipated. We understood that when the tendon separates from bone, the longer you wait, the more problematic it is for recovery, Girsch said. The more we waited, the more risky it was. Reyes, widely regarded as the Cardinals' top prospect, pitched 4 innings in a 3-2 loss at Milwaukee on May 30.